2,000 years later.
3, 2, 1, go!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're presenting analytical text titled Management of Trust. Management of trust is very important in Indonesia. As one of the countries with big amount of trust from many sectors, proper management is necessary. Firstly, it is important to provide healthy environment. When the trust is not managed well, it will create area the bacteria can live. Moreover, it can cause some health issues, and breathing issues become one of them that can be caused by bad smell of the trust. Furthermore, bad management of trust can lead to fraud. When it is not managed well, trust can block the flow of water. As the result, water debit can increase during the rain season and the channels of water cannot deliver the water well. That is why it is very important to manage the trust, and it is better to promote the recycling process.
The danger of trust problems if not managed.
The thesis is in paragraph 1, the arguments is in paragraph 2 and 3, and the reorientation is in paragraph 4.
Firstly is an internal conjunction. Great is an simple present tense. When is an external conjunction. As the result is an causal conjunction.
That's it from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dears, good morning. I'm Salsa.
I'm Sylvie.
I'm Setia.
I am Karina Mustikasari.
I am Dini.
And I'm Helsa.
We are from 11 Science 2. We will present the analytical exposition text.
The title of the text is Cramming is Bad. Cramming is the situation when students stay up until morning to study before their test. This habit can lead to negative impact for some reason.
The first reason is that disruption in the regular sleep cycle can cause temporary intellectual lapses. For most students, less sleep can make them cold, not focus in the class.
Additionally, cramming can live with something that I have seen before in our memory. However, being able to recognize something is not the same being able to recall it.
Besides that, each person has their different sleeping time, so some of them often as a stimulant of cramming. Furthermore, that stimulus gives bad effect to its consumer.
So, it is better for us to learn from alongside a good time doing cramming, which has a lot of bad effect to your health.
Analytical exposition is a kind of text that presents one side of the issue in a form of argument.
The social function of an analytical exposition is to convince the reader that the topic presented is an important topic to discuss.
General structure of analytical exposition are 1. Thesis. Thesis contains an introduction or explanation of the theme to be discussed or raised.
Argument of opinion that contains the opinion that the author began to describe on the issue and
3. Reiteration. In other words, reiteration in a conclusion, which is in the form of wording the main idea. Reiteration is located of the paragraph.
Language feature of analytical exposition are 1. Analytical exposition always uses the simple present tense. 2. As conjunction a lot.
3. Contains argument. 4. Many use words that contain cause and effect.
Okay, thank you for your attention today.
Wow!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce. My name is Zaki Maulana Ciniago.
My name is Salsa Putri Herina.
My name is Pesya Ramadan.
My name is Nadita Najla Rahima.
My name is Fadi Rizky Firmansyah.
My name is Nurul Latifah Al Isra.
My name is Najmi Najmudin.
My name is Gina Fadila.
From grade 11 Science 2. Here we will present about analytical exposition text. Analytical exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's opinion on phenomena or issue without persuading the readers to do something. This text will only persuade the readers that the phenomena or issue are important or worth it to be discussed by providing the arguments or opinions to support the topic. Next, we will read the example of analytical exposition.
I do not think that a homeschooling system is the best education system to use. Although parents of homeschooling students think it is better because of the manageable situation, I think homeschooling systems do not wrap all of the learning aspects that formal school usually reach, such as in the learning process, socialization, and the self-development of the children.
Learning aspect in the school is not only how to understand the material or the content of a subject, but also how to experience directly what happened in my surroundings. The homeschooling student decide which page that they like the most and which thing that they want to learn deeper on it.
Process also needed a good socialization of the children. Homeschooling students just socialize with people around them that they know well and impossible to do something bad to them. They do not explain having a good response to react to something happen around to them, which is important as social beings.
Finally, one-to-one learning that is applied in a homeschooling program does not guarantee that the children have a good development to face the real future. They do not exactly understand how to control and face a problem that they do not want to have because this surrounding really comfort them.
The standards of learning in the system make students not educationally successful. This system dislikes a controller of the students' development. It shows that it is not the best way to teach or educate children.
The following is the structure of analytical text entitled Homeschooling. The following are the linguistic rules of the analytical text entitled Homeschooling.
Those underlined in green show example of simple present tense. Then those underlined in red show example of casual conjunction. And those underlined in blue show example of generic non-human participant. That's all from our group. Sorry if there are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh my God! Wow!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class 11 Science 2.
We want to do about the presentation title of the importance of having breakfast.
In a busy morning, people tend to skip their breakfast. Actually, there are many benefits of having breakfast. Here are 2 reasons why it is important.
Having breakfast helps us feel more focused for the coming day. We were study at school and didn't have breakfast before, we were more likely to not focus during the lesson. There's nothing worse than being constantly aware that you are hungry and counting the minutes until lunchtime. Having breakfast in the morning not only fools us until lunchtime, but actually gives us brain to the essential energy to function and focus better on tasks so we can concentrate more.
Having breakfast will also control our appetite. If we don't eat breakfast, we are much more likely to end up snacking throughout the morning, which cause part of the unhealthy calories. Stay away from overnight refined snack with added sugar. So if you do feel like snacking, have some slice of fruits.
The 2 reasonable to help you feel more focused and to control all our appetites are only some of many reasons out there on why having breakfast is important. There are indeed many other benefits of having breakfast.
The first paragraph is thesis, and second and third is arguments, and the last one is reiteration. Social function on this text is having breakfast will also controlling our appetite. If we don't eat breakfast, we are much more likely to end up snacking throughout the morning.
Language filter. Number 1. The use of rational process. Example is breakfast. Number 2. Use simple present tense. Example is in a busy morning, people tend to skip their breakfast. Number 3. Use external conjunction. Example is when we study at school and did not have breakfast before. Number 4. Use internal conjunction. Example is so if you do feel I like snacking. Number 4. Use causal conjunction. Example is in the paragraph 4. The 2 reasons above to help us feel more focused and control our appetite are only some of many reasons out there on why having breakfast is important.